In this episode I'm gonna port the boost port and intake. It's the first time I'm doing this, so please be nice in the comments. So I'm cutting out for the boost port using this, just scratching, so you can see we got some mark there. And then so it's a couple of millimeters down here we go all the way and make this a bit more straighter later. So don't make it too big is the recommendation I've heard. Some make these really big, but just follow the gasket. If you have a big gasket, then go big. So it's about 2 millimeters from each side there. And you take some off here also. Preparing to remove some parts. I put some silver tape here. And I also have bought this tool, the Meec tools from Eula, where you put this type, and yeah, hopefully it will work. I also bought some carbide tools to work with. Guess you need them. This comes along with the package, but they're usually not that great, so I think I need that one. This is the first time I'm doing this, so don't be too harsh. I'm gonna of course use these glasses.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
You're the last one. Complete the mission.
Here you can see an amateur working.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Bomb has been defused.
So I'm about to take on the intake here. Just open it up a bit. are marked up. And then I'm gonna put some tape again. So I'm not going very deep, going just a bit to open up a bit more. Let's cut along this line. Check out how it looks. Looks pretty well. The left side is good, if you can see, but I'm gonna do some bit more filing on this one, on this side. So I will stop with here. I think this will be good. Taking some pointers from Darin Akayama, whatever his name is, the dude from Hawaii. Seems to know his things, his stuff. So just gonna clean it up now. You get this all over the place.